welcome to Archbishop Jordan High School and Air Jordan. My name is Captain Lakeman and we would like to take you on a trip. Since the pandemic has affected travel plans for people throughout the world, we would like to take you on a trip around the world while being able to visit the different departments and aspects of our school that make us so unique. So let's get ready for takeoff. Please fasten your seatbelts, and we're glad you're flying Air Jordan.
Archbishop Jordan Catholic High School resides within the family of Elk Island Catholic Schools and is part of Alberta's publicly funded education system. ABJ is a state-of-the-art facility providing 21st century quality Catholic education for students in grades 9 to 12.
At ABJ, we strive to support the intellectual, cultural, spiritual, emotional, physical growth of all of our learners. Our school strives to be a safe and faith-filled environment that is reflective with a vibrant student leadership group.
Throughout your flight, you may see pictures of students and staff in close proximity and not wearing masks. Anytime you do see a picture or video like that, please note that it was taken before the pandemic and before current health measures have been put into place.
And finally, this here is our school mascot, the Scot. He will be joining you on your voyage around the world to help guide you. Should you have any more questions or comments on what our school has to offer, please feel free to contact us. The school number is 780-467-2121, or you can go to abj.eics.ab.ca. Once again, welcome to our school and have a great trip.